Hey guys, it's Tucker Racing back here. Well, technically first video, but we're just taking and we're going to do a little bit of a bike check on each one of the bikes. So we've only got two that are ours. The other one is a buddy of mine's. I'm going to show you guys the Harleys also. Get a little bit of lighting in here. Boom, there we go. Something on the camera. Alright, here we have a 2014 RMZ 250. Brand new tires, brand new sprockets, brand new graphics, factory seat cover. You got the Pro Taper, half waffle grips, brand new. ASV breakaway levers, somewhat new. Got the factory exhaust. It's a 2014. And then, I mean, there's nothing really done to it. Like I said, new tires, new graphics, new sprockets, everything like that. Then you've got right here a 2012 RMZ 250. Everything's stock, new tire. Well, everything's stock except for the Entity Racing muffler. New tires, factory header. MIG lock-on grips, cheap ASV levers. They're not the real ones. Little hole shot device. New sprockets, new chain. This one as well has new graphics. And over here you got my little cousin's Project 4-wheeler that we're working on for her. An 08 KX450F DRD header. A DRD carbon fiber muffler, new graphics, whole shot device was on here, Pro Taper fat bars. My Harley, you got a built 96 1200 Sportster. It's built with nitrous. My dad's 89 Ultra Classic bagger. And you got my truck. That's our trailer right there. That's what we haul the bikes and everything in to my races. I'm actually getting, for my birthday, I'm getting the new Alias A2 brushed gear. My dad has the same thing. And it's got his number. I'm going to get my number put on it. We got matching bikes now. Then we're going to be getting matching gear. I'm getting the brand new Fox 180s for Christmas. So, yeah, that's them. So, alright guys, just coming with you with a bike check. We'll talk to you later. See ya.